Okay, more transformations. This time we're going to do a 90-degree rotation. And I put the coordinate rule right here. 90-degree rotation requires you to switch the x and y coordinates while taking the opposite of the new x. So, first thing you want to do here is, well, we have to label our points first. Label our coordinates. Let's start with Q. Should have -5, it looks like. R looks like it's -5, -1. And S appears to be -2, 1, 2, 3, -3. So those are your coordinates for your original figure, and now we'll worry about the prime figure. All right, so let's start with Q. Point Q. Point Q's current position is -5, -5. And that means Q prime, we have to switch the -5 and -5, the x and the y, while taking the opposite of that new x coordinate. So we keep the -5 where it was, and we're going to change that -5 to a +5 for the new x coordinate, if that makes sense. It might make more sense on the next one. So I'm going to mark my prime location for Q. -5, +5 looks like it's going to be right there, and that'll be our Q prime point. All right, R. The original R is -5, -1. So our R prime, we're going to switch our x and y. Let's take what -1, -5, while our new x coordinate, we're going to take its opposite. So we're going to change that to +5. So R prime will be -1, +5, which should be right there. And finally, S, original location of S is -2, -3. So S prime, once again, let's switch the x and the y, -3 into -2. And our new x coordinate, we must take its opposite, so I'm going to change that to positive there. So S prime, -3, 1, 2, 3, +2 is right here, and that's going to be S prime. Now, we draw this, we connect the points, and we have wonderfully, I know I'm not a great artist here, hopefully it worked out, we have rotated this triangle 90 degrees clockwise. Awesome.